Ever noticed your Samsung Galaxy selfies look different after you take them? This quick guide will walk you through changing the mirror selfie setting so your photos are saved exactly how you prefer. First of all, open the camera app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Make sure you're using the front-facing selfie camera by tapping the camera switch icon. Next, tap the settings icon, the gear symbol, which is usually located in the top left corner of the camera screen. This will open your camera settings. Scroll down until you find the selfies section. Here you'll see an option called Save Selfies as Previewed. Now choose the setting that matches the result you want. Turn mirror effect off. Natural view. Turn Save Selfies as Previewed on. Your selfie will be saved exactly as it appears in the camera preview. Any text or logos in the background will appear normal and readable instead of being reversed. Turn mirror effect on. Flipped view. Turn Save Selfies as Previewed off. After you take the photo, Samsung will automatically flip the image, creating the traditional mirrored selfie effect, where the left and right sides are reversed. Once you've changed the setting, simply go back to the camera and take a selfie. Your new preference is saved automatically, so you won't need to adjust it every time you open the camera app. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same menu and switch the option back in just a few seconds. Thanks for watching. Enjoy taking selfies with your preferred mirror setting on your Samsung Galaxy phone.